Dear kids, in this video we will learn the family of alphabet J. Please subscribe this channel for more learning upcoming videos. Kindly like and share this video. Let's start learning and read with me.
Okay, let's start.
J.
J.
J for jaguar.
J for jaguar.
J.
J.
J for jackal.
J for jackal.
J.
J.
J for jacket.
J for jacket.
J.
J.
J for jug.
J for jug.
J.
J.
J for jet.
J for jet.
J.
J.
J for jeep.
J for jeep.
J.
J.
J for jellyfish.
J for jellyfish.
J.
J.
J for jelly.
J for jelly.
J.
J.
J for joker.
J for joker.
Dear kids, let's learn and practice how to write and trace alphabet letter J.
Okay, let's start. Please like and subscribe ABC TV channel.